Once upon a time, in a sunny garden, a little seed was planted in the soft soil. The seed was excited to grow into a big, beautiful flower, but every day, it felt like nothing was happening. "Why am I still small?" the seed wondered sadly. A wise old tree nearby smiled and said, "Good things take time, little one. Be patient and keep trying." The seed listened and decided to wait. It drank water from the rain and warmed itself in the sunshine. Days passed, and slowly, a tiny green shoot popped out of the ground. The little sprout grew taller and stronger until one morning, pop, a bright, colorful flower bloomed. Bees and butterflies danced around it, and the little flower smiled. Moral: just like the seed, sometimes we must wait and keep trying. With patience and effort, wonderful things can happen.